My role model is Korea singer 장원영 and my mom. The 장원영 is a singer from I adore her because her face is pretty and she's an amazing singer. Their song is very good and my eyes are always clean and feel good. I'm saying them 장원영 because my birthday is same August. Also, I want to be a 장원영. Second is my mom. My mom is in 1805 born and birthday is 22. The family and taught me many things working, cleaning my room. My mom same things is a taste. Also, I want to be my mom too. My mom like kind. I want to be too. Introduce someone you admire model mom 장원영. In conclusion, my role model is 장원영 and my mom.